I heard you, we're not going to be talking about trading or exchanges. In this video, we're going to be looking at the airdrop. So we jump straight into the laptop. The first thing first is a surprise airdrop for the Jupiter, Odos, Hyperliquid, and more traders from Definitive over here, which it is another trading platform. But if you have participated in any of these protocols, you could be eligible for the airdrop. But there is one catch. As we see over here, to secure your allocation, you need to deposit funds and trade at least 1K spot volume using the TWAP option, which means if you're not eligible, you can still complete the quest and enter a raffle, which means if you think that you are eligible for this airdrop, if you think that you utilized some of these, for example, the Jupiter, the Odos, the Hyperliquid, if you did quite a bit of trading on it, potentially could be eligible for this one. I personally am not even gonna go and try it because I know I didn't do much trading. Especially with this one, I claimed the airdrop for Odos, which we've seen back in the days. Jupiter and Hyperliquid as well, I didn't do much. But if you did, make sure to go and check it out. I will leave you the link down below. You go over here to the Edge airdrop page. You can check your eligibility with any of the wallet. For example, we can go and check over here on Solana just to give it a shot, as all the protocols are mostly there. Click on connect. And you will see here, you can enter the 100,000 drawing. And here we go, for example, no referrals. You can sign up and do this. So make sure to go and check down below. Next up, we also have the OM eligibility again after the Cyber checks. So the OM, the Mantra airdrop, as we see over here, I am not eligible for this one. I didn't go and participate with this one. But I don't know, it is a little bit of a airdrop which we're gonna go and see the price. The price of Mantra has skyrocketed for the past month or so. We've seen an incredible, you can go and see it here on CoinGecko. If we go and check over on Mantra, the price has really gone, you know, exponentially up. This is the token, the OM token, the Mantra token. Let's go and check on the 3 months. We see here that it's gone exponentially up from $3 to $6, all the way from 76 cents. So the airdrop could be a little bit of a price downfall, in my opinion. We've seen the top here at $8.47. Nonetheless, there is a new eligibility criteria, so make sure to go and check it down below and go and paste your Mantra airdrop over here. This will be the page. Paste your Mantra chain address, which is going to be whichever wallet you have actually gone and participate. I personally didn't participate in it. I didn't like the Mantra ecosystem, but I was, as it seems, wrong, because it did phenomenally well. So let me know your allocation down below. Talking about the Nodepay season 3 review has been completed. Your points have been secured and put into the account. You need to have the proof of immunity. Verified participants were rewarded for their genuine engagement. Activity checks, platform abuse, manual reviews were done as well. And as we see here, this is the page which we are earning on the daily, the season earning, as the season 4 has already started. If you haven't done it yet, I will leave you the link down below if you want to go and sign up. And if you go over here to the earnings, you will be able to go and see the season 3 points. So I got a referral of 18,000 points, network connection on 18,000 points. We then have the referral network connection of $3.8 million with an activity of 7.1 thousand for a total of 3.8 million points. Let me know your allocation down below. This one could potentially be translated in a future airdrop. There are different missions that you can go and do that I haven't done it. To go and complete even more points, you can go and earn up to 100,000 points with this one. And these are all part of the daily, for example, the network connections. And if you do have, make sure to go and check them. And if you do have any referrals, there is the referral tab over there for you to go and grab and check it out. Next up, we have the OG Foundation airdrop. Now, this is one of those airdrops that I personally thought that I would have gone and short. You know, when I trade with Weex, I will keep the Weex things related at the end of the video. More important, if you want to listen to it, stick until the end of the video, or simply join my Telegram. The link is down below, free to join. But the OG token over here, which, by the way, the OG is a L1, AI L1, they did something good. They listened to the community, which is something that, as of right now, I think it's gonna do better. Why? Well, they didn't do the best thing like 20-25% allocation. However, they did change to a 13% allocation. It is still vested on a 48-month-long period, but from a 8% that it was yesterday, the community didn't like it. OG also over here, they listened to the community. They also said that if they were going to do like this, most likely they would have gone to zero because the whole community was ready to dump on them. Yet they now changed to a 13% community reward. And as we see here, this is a protocol that really rested and all of a sudden did really, really well. The community is happy. You know, it is going good. So the airdrop allocation as of right now, you also have this one. You have the team and contributor 22%, community reward 13%, ecosystem growth 28%, AI alignment node 15%, backers 22%, and the team and advisor has 44%. Now, I think it's still a little bit little, but it's still a nice thing to go and do. I will leave this whole read down below if you want to go and do it. There will be the OG as well, the community support, there will be more of that, but I will leave you the link down below. So make sure to go and read all of this article. There is no claiming button as of right now, so please do not fall for anybody in the comments or anywhere online that you see. There is no claiming button. I will take you the claiming in the next video. Next up, we have the AGNT token over here. The agent protocol token TGE will be in about a week. 50% will be for the ecosystem, 3% for Republic, 20% for node rewards, which is kind of like a community reward airdrop. And as we see here, it is backed as well, and it is going to be eligible and to be traded on ETH, DO Maker, Certify. We have over here all the other information, and we will go and see with this one whether or not we will go and potentially, you know, trade it to a short or to a long. I think I will be keeping it to a short as the token generation event usually go like that. But you can go and check here. You can go and connect your wallet to the IGN Top Pro over here.com, the website. Connect your wallet, complete the social task, link your NFT wallet and XP before it is too late. So you still need to wait for TGE, but make sure to go and double check it if you have participated. It is a gaming airdrop kind of thing. Next up, we have the PAWS claiming is now live on the link down below. Make sure to go and claim it. This is the real one. Simply go to the page down below, TG dashboard as well, with the Telegram app, as it was a Telegram game. You can check your PAWS allocation over here, once again, with the Solana wallet. And then once we will have the possibility, you will be able to go and claim it right here. This is yet not claiming, but the Solana airdrop is right there. And we do have the claiming to either Bybit or BitGet as well in the coming days. So with that said, guys, thank you very much for watching. As I said, if you wish to have more information about the trading, make sure to come and join my members group on Telegram. It is free to join, so make sure to be there. I partner with Weex, it's an exchange that I partner with, so I'm happy to do that. And I understand your community frustration when I do talk about the Weex and the partnership and the money and the, you know, longing and trading. You're here for the airdrops, not for the trading. However, I did find a new way to to connect with the community as well. There is a new way to be making money with the shorting and longing of the token, which I'm trying to learn. It's part of the procedure of growing up. And if you're interested, I will keep you updated with it. But with that, guys, thank you very much for watching, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Ciao, guys.